Health, your wallet, and a historic vote. Congress is set now to vote on a sweeping health care overhaul plan coming up this weekend. It's a bill that really aims to ensure 32 million people who don't have any health care coverage right now. But critics say it goes much, much further than that. Fox 13's Chris CHMURA tonight is live here with us in studio to outline the bill, the costs, and exactly who stands where. Chris.
Mark, right now the vote is set for Sunday. And in Washington, where weekends often begin on Thursday, well, this Friday has been full of lots of last-second arm-twisting, deal-making, and yes, naysaying.
President Obama made one final push for health care reform during a rally in suburban Washington, D.C.
We have waited long enough, and in just a few days, a century-long struggle will culminate in a historic vote.
But that historic vote might not go the way he wants. The House is divided and still too close to call. Our area has 7 votes on the controversial health care bill, and they're split along party lines. Polling local representatives, almost all of them plan to vote no Sunday. Only Tampa's CASTOR will say yay.
The historic health care reform is great news for Florida families.
In a video provided by her office, CASTOR highlights how the bill will allow the poor to buy insurance through a government-managed store. It'll ban insurance companies from dropping patients just because they're sick. And finally give seniors a complete prescription drug plan, eliminating a costly coverage gap called the donut hole.
Medicare is going to get stronger.
But when opponents speak, it's as if they're talking about something completely different.
Basically dismantling the Medicare Advantage program.
By satellite, Tarpon Springs Congressman Gus Bilirakis told us the bill is flawed because it requires everyone to have insurance and fines those that don't want it. Bilirakis warns it'll thrust 16 million more people into already overwhelmed Medicaid. And he balks at the nearly $1 trillion price tag.
We scratch the bill and start all over. What we need is to reduce the costs.
We will see. A new estimate suggests the plan will pay for itself and even reduce the deficit over the next decade. Backers, well, they're cheering, saying this is the right thing to do, and here's proof. Opponents argue the math is rosy at best. The House will review the bill tomorrow in a rare Saturday committee meeting. Tomorrow night, the White House, after delaying an overseas trip, will do some more lobbying. And then the vote, scheduled for Sunday. Mark?
As we know, that could change. Chris CHMURA first tonight. Chris, thanks very much.